Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video we're going to take a look at the numbers from 10 to 100. And we're gonna focus on the numbers 10, 20, 30 up to 100. For more detailed numbers there will be a special video. So let's get started. The goal of this video is to learn to count from 10 to 100 in Austrian German. The word for 10 is zehn and is the same in Standard German as well as in Austrian German. 20 means zwanzig, and in the West people will say zwanzg and in the East zwanzg. 30 is dreißig. This goes for the West and the East, but many people will say dreißg instead of dreißig. 40 is vierzig. 50 means 50. 60 means SECHZIG, all over the country. The word for 70 is SIEBZIG, and again many Austrians will say SIEBZIG. 80 means ACHTZIG. Most of the time you will come across ACHTZIG. 90 is NEUNZG, and many Austrians will say NEUNZG. The word for 100 is 100 and is the same in Standard German as well as in Austrian German. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and if you want to know more about the topic, please leave a comment below. Have a nice day and see you in the next tutorial.